Okay, good morning everyone. Um, you're welcome to Viral Trend Africa. Today we'll be talking about how to add Jumia affiliate code to your website pages and posts. So I'm going to take you through the process. Now I'm on my in front of my Jumia login page. So I want to log into my affiliate account. So I'm going to input my email and my password. Please, if you like this video and the tutorial, don't forget to click on that like button and drop your comments. Also do well to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Okay, so I've input my details. So I'm logging into my Jumia Call account. This is my page, the Jumia page. So I'm going to where I'm going to get my HTML code. So you see that icon, you have to click on it. You click on it, go to advertising, click on advertising. It will open and show you offers and custom links. Custom links is for websites, but we'll be working with offers because you can use offers for website and you can also use it for social media. So you have to click on offers. When you click on offers, it will open and will take you to the next step. Okay, it's opening. Now you have to click on Jumia e-commerce. Okay, so once it's open, now you have to choose the country where you want to advertise. That's the country that your traffic is coming most from. So I'm choosing Nigeria. Reason, I don't know, but I'm just choosing Nigeria. But for you, I will prefer when you choose, because I'm just teaching you, so I'll prefer if you choose the country that your traffic is coming most from. Okay, so click on Nigeria to reload. Now you have a New Year vibes banner, daily flash sales, you have everyday deals, you have the 5K store, the TVs and audio category, the shop now, health and beauty category, and different of them. So I'm going to choose anyone you can choose, but what I want to tell you is that all these things have their coupon codes. As in, you being an affiliate means you having coupon codes. So anyone that buys from your link will have a discount. So I'm going to choose that of TVs and audio categories. Okay, so you come down here, you're going to see your banner size, and this is the banner. This is the banner preview, how your banner is. Okay, so you can see this banner is too small, but we're going to do justice to it so that we can get something that is catchy, something that can draw attention. Okay, so you're going to be needing the banner code, that is that HTML code down. But first of all, let's go and do some kind of justice to our banner code. We need to kind of increase the image, the image size. Okay, so basically here you don't need that image URL, and you don't need that Jumia call this thing up there. You don't need it. What you need is just that banner code down. Okay, so we're going to go to our banner size place so that we can so what I'm trying to say is that we need a banner that is of this size. Okay, so we need to increase our banner size. So we are going to our banner size now. We click on banner size. You can see the banner size here. Click on it to open. I'm going to choose the last one, so I will start from there to know. You can see we have obtained a bigger image, a bigger picture. So let me try out something else. Okay, let me go to the second to the last. You can see it's loading. We have obtained a smaller but pretty good image. So I'm going to choose the last one because that's my spec. Okay, so this one is okay for me to able to catch attention, as in something catchy. Okay, so you don't need this image URL and you don't need this generated URL. Those two are for social media advertisers. What you need is the banner code. That's what you are going to copy into your website page or your website post. So I've copied it. I'm going to my website now. this is my website, this is my article that I've written. Okay, so I want to paste in between my article. Okay, that is in between my article. Yeah, so you're going to change this is the text view. This is the text view. I will need you to change it to I will need you to change it to another format, so that where you are going to this is another view, but I'm going to show you what you're going to do now. Okay, so you need to change this to another kind of computer language, so that you can be able to insert that HTML. So you click on text view, it will show this kind of text. Insert your code. So I'm going to insert the code here now. Okay, this is my affiliate code, so I've inserted it. So I'll go back and choose the visual view. You can see my Jumia banner. That banner we generated is already here. Okay, so most of some people will just go there and kind of copy download the image and copy all those kind of links and come and paste it here. I don't normally like a kind of like advise that one. So anyone that buys from this code will have 40% off the original price. That means 40% discount. So that's the gain. That's what they're going to gain from you giving them your link for them to use it and buy. So this is my code. This is my post. I'm going to update it so that it will be updated. That is, it will be fixed into my page, into my post. So after it has been updated, we're going to view it. We want to view it now, preview, to see how the code is. Okay, so we're going down to where it is. We're going down. This is the post. We are going down. Okay. Yes. Okay. Want to see how it looks on the site. Okay, so this is the code. This is the Jumia HTML code that we inserted. So this is how it looks like. You can see that before someone will scroll to a certain portion, as in a kind of like scroll speed, that red catchy color, as in that occupied a kind of big space, will a kind of draw attention to go up and know what's this image I saw. You did see one, but when you have something like smaller one, it will kind of like give you a little problem. So this is for imputing HTML code into your post. Now I want to go into page. How do you insert this HTML code into your page? So I want you to follow these procedures that I'm going to show you now. Okay, so just be looking at the screen, at your screen, and you will see how I am going to insert that same Jumia HTML code into my website page. Don't forget to click the like button after watching the video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Watch.